Alrighty, what's going on everybody? Jordan here, I'm back for another review. Today I'm going to be covering Midas Beard Co's beard care kit and share some of my thoughts on it. Let's get started. Alrighty, so before we get started, I'm going to give you just a quick verdict right off the top, just in case, because I know a lot of people don't stay through the whole video, so in case you just want to hear my thoughts. So this kit's approximately $70 Canadian, which is ridiculously overpriced. Like even the Beard Struggle can get you more stuff than that. Yeah, there are tons of more transparent companies out there with better quality products. Beardbrothers, Fable Beard Co. I've heard good things about Copper John's, Olympus Beard Co. Tons of other ones. Some more links down below if you want to check out some beard products that are actually good. Let's get into my thoughts about this company and their products. Alrighty, let's talk about this kit itself. So it comes with a Boarhair beard brush, 30 milliliter beard oil, velvet beard oil travel pouch, as well as two like gold metal enamel pens, both of which kind of aren't that useful, just kind of like an extra like gimmicky thing, I guess. I don't know anybody that stores their beard oil in one single pouch. I have it right here. I don't know why you would use that over just putting it in your DOP kit. Not really sure about that. You might use it, I don't know, if you have one from another company. Don't buy this one just for that. It's totally not worth it. $70. Comes with a sticker as well. Packaging is really nice unboxing experience, as I mentioned earlier. But the product's just too expensive. And let's actually talk about the Boarhair brush next. Let's talk about Midas Beard Care. So they're based in the UK. In my research, I wasn't sure how long they've been around. I think they're a relatively new company. Couldn't find out who owns them. They sell 3 different products plus the kit, or 3 including the kit, but the balm is currently sold out for whatever reason. So not CPSR certified, which is America's equivalent of the FDA. They sent me a CPSR certificate that they claim is real, but I'll pop it up right here so you guys can see it. But I don't know about you, but in my opinion, it doesn't look very real. I've talked to a few different reviewers who have also reviewed these products, and they've all pretty much had the same thoughts as me. Dries your beard out, the scent's not great, like smells like soap, the company's kind of odd. Yeah. Alright, let's get started. So when I chatted with Midas Beard Co recently, they asked me what I thought of the oil. I told them I'm not a fan of it, don't like the smell, the feel in beard's really bad. When I mentioned that, they responded with, can you please mainly review the Boarhair brush? Which I said I'm not going to do. I'll probably pop a screenshot somewhere right here of that conversation so you guys can see what I'm saying. And even that, just on its own, kind of makes me not want to review, not want to recommend the company, which I'm definitely not going to do. It's really expensive. Like within the first use, my beard started to feel dry, which is an automatic no-go because I'm not trying to wreck my beard with beard products. I'm trying to keep it healthy and keep it nice and soft, which Midas Beard Co failed at doing. Yeah, so decide for yourself, but in my opinion, asking a reviewer specifically not to review a certain project is a little underhanded and kind of shady, in my opinion. So keep that in mind as you're watching this video, and based on my interactions with the company. Let's keep it moving. Yeah, so before we actually get into this as well, yeah, I would say save your money and go elsewhere. Like I mentioned earlier, tons of great companies out there that are honest and helpful and positive and actually have good products. So check them out down below. Alrighty, let's discuss Midas Beard Co's Boarhair brush. So that's it right there. Got their logo on there. Nice rounded design, fits in your hand well. Black boar's hair bristles. Works well through the beard, but it's not what it seems to be. This brush, it's $35 Canadian, and you can get an identical one from Man-Made Beard Co for $17 on their website, which I'll link down below. And they are suspiciously similar looking, which I'll probably pop a picture up as well. Here, and one over here, something like that. We'll see how I do it in the edit, but I will pop them up so you can compare them, but they are virtually identical except for the logo. So why pay $35 when you can get the same thing for $17? This looks nice, but not worth the cost overall. Save your money and look at some other options, which I will link down below. Next, let's talk about this Olympus Beard Oil. Alrighty, it's time for the truth about the Olympus Beard Oil from Midas Beard Co. There it is right there, nice black bottle. Ingredients on the back. I'll pop up a close-up shot of this as well because my camera doesn't have nice autofocus. Nice autofocus. I'll read you the ingredients here. So, sweet almond oil, argan oil, jojoba oil, vitamin E oil, grapefruit seed extract, aloe vera, avocado oil, and fragrance essential oil. It says the scent is bergamot, grapefruit, and pineapple with mid notes of juniper and patchouli, and then ambergris and musk. I don't smell any of those straight up. Like, all it smells like to me is like kind of laundry soap, but like not really good laundry soap. And the scent only lasted me between like an hour and a half in beard. And from the first use, when I first got it, like I could feel it starting to dry out my beard, which I was able to combat using Urban Beard's beard butter, which I'll also be reviewing soon. Decently thick. Actually, I'll show you. See if I can do this without. So that's what it looks like in the. Do some close-ups as well. Yeah. Like there's some oils that I've tried and haven't liked initially, but then after using them for a while, it's gotten a lot better. This is not one of them. Like, this was horrible from the beginning and it's still horrible like now. And I haven't used this in a few days just because I've been trying so many other ones, and it also just dries the heck out of my beard, so it's not worth damaging my beard for the sake of reviewing this for a bunch of weeks. It has 5% vitamin E oil, according to a few other reviewers that I talked to. I don't know if you can find this info on their website, but they were. I'll confirm with Midas as well before I release this video, and if that's not correct, I'll pop it up somewhere so you guys can see this oil alone costs $43 Canadian, which is insane. Like, so despicably expensive for a terrible product. Save your money, go buy something else. I'll have more reviews coming soon. The reviewer that I spoke to said that he had the original formulation of Olympus, and then I was told that I had the newly reformulated one, but the reviewer and I compared our two bottles, and the ingredients were identical. So, and they also said they removed vitamin E oil in the new formulation, but it's still on the bottle, as you'll be able to see. So either there was a misprint or they're lying, I'm not really sure, but not very clear, which is not good. Like, you want to know exactly what's in these products and what's going into your beard. Like, that reviewer that I talked to, he said that he almost had to completely reset his beard because it was so badly damaged by this oil. I feel like this is something that TBS would do, like which they kind of do with their night and day oils, basically the same. TBS is a little better for sure, don't get me wrong about that, but still, they have two different oils that you can buy in combination for like $47 or $37, depending on which ones you get. But yeah, neither one is worth it. Don't buy this beard oil. It's super expensive. It'll probably dry out your beard. Basically, in conclusion, don't waste your money on this beard oil. Tons of better options out there. Yeah, let's keep it moving. Let's wrap up this video. So in conclusion, do I recommend Midas Beard Care? Not by a long shot. The oil is terrible. The scent's not great. The Boarhair brush is twice as expensive, like basically identical copy of the one from Man-Made Beard Co. And the extras in this kit just added to the cost, the pins and the pouch. So just kind of made it more expensive, $70 Canadian. So basically what I'm saying, don't buy any products from Midas Beard Co. Spend your money elsewhere. I'm not even going to link their website below because it's just not worth it. If you really want to look into it yourself, just Google Midas Beard Co. But like, I've been using this and I've talked to other reviewers that have used it, and it's been pretty much unanimous that the scent's not great, the oil's not great, the company is a little seems a little shady in my opinion. I'll link some better companies down below. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment down below if you've used Midas Beard Care before and what your experience has been. And also follow me on Instagram for more photos and also to see the unboxing that I did. As I said, really nice unboxing experience. Yeah, That's all for now. Keep telling the bearded truth.